I just want to show you something interesting. Now, we all talk about asbestos, and I just want to show you some asbestos. This is called Super 66, and they use it on roofs. So obviously they've built a shed with this, but that's asbestos, that's Super 66. So basically that is probably dangerous in its own way, but not really. You'll see it there. As long as you'll see a lot of fibres and stuff. I don't know if you can actually see that. There's lots of loose fibres on there. So that's your asbestos 66, Super 66 asbestos. Now you don't want to gurney that because you'll lose all the fibres. So probably how you would paint that is you would give it a chemical bleach treatment, and then you would spray some PVC bond on it, which will then basically, it's wood glue, and then that would seal that off. Then you could put a couple of coats of paint on. So that's something that you want to do if you bought this house, because this house will be up for sale. And that's what I would do. I would gurney all this shed here, that's no problems. That there, that definitely needs special treatment. You need to get that mould off it. And some people mess up, so they pull the gurney out and they'll gurney it, but that's wrong, because all the fibres will then be in the air or be on the ground because they'll be wet. And if you were to pull that down, you would spray all that with the PVC glue as you're working. Basically, you'd spray it all first, and then water-based glue, same as wood glue, no different. Bondcrete will probably do exactly the same thing. You would give that a good spray with a garden sprayer and let it dry. Then as you took it off slowly, gently, mask up, you would spray the back of it. You would spray anything you can to stop that fibres from floating around. So there, that's Super 66.